Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, we're very happy you're learning English with us today.
Take a deep breath.
Relax.
English is easy when we go step by step.
And today, we go very slowly.
Today's topic is your phone.
Your phone is always with you,
In your hand.
in your pocket.
On your table.
So let's talk about it in English. Repeat after me. My phone.
My phone.
Good job. Again, my phone.
My phone.
Say it slowly.
My phone.
Perfect.
Now say this sentence.
This is my phone.
This is my phone.
Very good.
Again, please.
This is my phone. You can also say this.
This phone is mine.
This phone is mine.
Nice English. Now, listen carefully.
I have a phone.
I have a phone.
Again,
I have a phone.
good job.
You can say,
I have my phone with me.
I have my phone with me.
Very natural. Let's talk about feelings.
Repeat, I like my phone.
I like my phone.
Again,
I like my phone.
you can say,
I really like my phone.
I really like my phone.
Or you can say,
I love my phone.
I love my phone.
Now a question.
Do you like your phone?
Yes, I like my phone.
Very good answer.
Another answer.
Yes, I really like my phone.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about phone types.
Repeat after me. Smartphone.
Smartphone.
Again.
Smartphone.
Sentence.
I have a smartphone.
I have a smartphone.
Some phones are Android phones.
Repeat. Android phone.
Android phone.
Sentence.
I have an Android phone.
I have an Android phone.
Some phones are iPhones.
Repeat. iPhone.
iPhone.
Sentence.
I have an iPhone.
I have an iPhone.
Both are smartphones.
Yes, both are very popular. Now, phone parts.
Repeat. Screen.
Screen.
Again.
Screen. Sentence.
The screen is big.
The screen is big.
Another sentence. The screen is small.
The screen is small.
One more. The screen is clean.
The screen is clean. Next word.
Camera.
Camera.
Sentence.
My phone has a camera.
My phone has a camera.
I use the camera.
I use the camera.
I take photos.
I take photos.
I take photos with my phone.
I take photos with my phone.
Next word.
Battery.
Battery.
Sentence. My battery is low.
My battery is low.
Another sentence. My battery is full.
My battery is full.
One more. My phone battery is full.
My phone battery is full. Now, actions.
Repeat. Call.
Call.
Sentence.
I call my friend.
I call my friend.
Another one. I call my mother.
I call my mother.
Next action.
Text.
Text.
Sentence.
I text my sister.
I text my sister.
Another one. I text my friend.
I text my friend.
Next action.
Charge.
Charge.
Sentence.
I charge my phone.
I charge my phone.
Another sentence. I charge my phone at night.
I charge my phone at night.
Now, daily life.
I use my phone every day.
I use my phone every day.
In the morning, I check my phone.
In the morning, I check my phone.
I check messages.
I check messages.
I read messages.
I read messages.
I reply to messages.
I reply to messages.
I watch videos.
I watch videos.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
Sometimes I play games.
Sometimes I play games.
At night, I use my phone.
At night, I use my phone.
I watch videos at night.
I watch videos at night.
Sometimes I use my phone too much.
Sometimes I use my phone too much. Now, questions for you.
Do you use your phone in the morning?
Yes, I use my phone in the morning.
Do you use your phone at night?
Yes, I use my phone at night.
Great answers.
Your English sounds better and better. Let's repeat important words again.
Phone,
Smartphone,
screen,
camera,
battery,
call,
text.
charge.
You are doing very well.
Don't stop practicing.
Small practice every day.
Big improvement over time.
Tell us in the comments.
What is the first thing you do on your phone in the morning?
We want to hear from you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Keep learning English.